First up this evening, there are more reactions to the new road plan outlined by the government to ease traffic congestion in sections of the corporate area.
The traffic issues were created when the Portia Simpson Miller Square was closed to vehicular traffic for road construction.
But what does the public have to say about the new venture? We have more in this report. A $130 million roadway between this intersection on Spanish Town Road in San Andrew and Marcus Garvey Drive. It's a new detour which will now take motorists onto Chesterfield Drive, otherwise known as the Seaview Main Road, through Seaview Gardens, along the old train line behind Seaview and Majestic Gardens, and onto Marcus Garvey Drive. For the motorists we spoke with, it's a good idea.
A big pressure that half a driving, man. A good thing that, man.
Any problem?
No, not none at all.
A good idea, because I don't wait to stop the traffic, the whole of traffic for Agri Park Road and Walton Park Road. You see me? Quicker move. Good move, good move.
We are help to we live in Seaview Garden, you know. We get out to the time for them say 8 months. So you know, say appear wrong dam to go 3 miles.
Yeah, man, I love it, man. Because it avoid me from even come 3 miles more time. Come on. You see me? Because Seaview, I live so a shortcut for me if you coming to Seaview coming from town, all right?
And it's not only the motorists who like the plan. Residents, commuters, and even vendors have also given it the thumbs up. What about the traffic coming into your community? What do you think about that?
Yeah, it should help. I mean, more people. Yeah.
All right. Overall,
maybe more sales. This will help a lot because we are in a problem now, and then to the situation, yeah, it will work out. I think it will work out.
However, there are a few issues that some residents want to be considered during the road work. They do welcome the detour.
But them have to get sidewalk for we walk. That is it. So they need to fix over there that we can get space to walk. And so
I was thinking about lighting and security, how that would work out. They need to make sure a 24-hour, even 12 hours of security in the evening and in the mornings where passengers, because you know public transportation is going to use it. So they will need that security, know that they are secure,